Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Jamaican ship workers from the first batch of 200 who disembarked the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line's Adventure of the Seas on Thursday and tested negative for the coronavirus have been cleared for home quarantine and will reunite with their families. They're to be monitored via the Jam COVID app. Here's Anthony Lugg with that report.
Bags packed and ready to go. Jamaican ship workers cleared for home quarantine. They lined up waiting to be processed at the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel Saturday morning. After hours of waiting, some were allowed to pack their bags into buses that would then take them home, where they will reunite with their families. 5 of the Jamaicans who arrived in Falmouth, Trelawney on Tuesday have tested positive for the coronavirus and will be placed in isolation at a government facility. Permanent Secretary in the Health Ministry Dunstan Bryan says those from the second batch, once cleared, will be sent home tomorrow. He reiterated that the ship workers must demonstrate responsible behavior during home quarantine.
There is no system that is foolproof for human behavior, but what we believe is important is personal responsibility and community responsibility and family responsibility so that we are all safe. No matter what system persons are required to participate in, there's always a margin of error.
TVJ News has learned that things did not go smoothly. As seen in this video, the practicing of social distancing was non-existent. Persons also complained of the long waiting time. In the meantime, the disembarkation of Jamaicans from the Adventures of Seas should resume tomorrow. Mr. Bryan says state authorities will have no further interaction with the workers on board until the disembarkation resumes.
Our interaction with them, with the persons, the Jamaicans on the ship, is in the first instance, a sensitization video has been sent to them, outlining the different procedures for quarantine, and thereafter they are batched based on in batches of 200, and then they come off the ship in those batches.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.